My name is Rashawn, and today I'll be doing this interview question right here. So the interview questions ask me to write a program that uses a loop to initialize a 2D array column-wise with the data below. The program should have two methods: a gen array method to generate the array and a print array to print out the row wise. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create my main method right there, but I'm gonna go ahead and create my gen array method first. Let's say public static main, and I want this method to return a two-dimensional array, and I'm gonna call it gen array. No parameters. Now inside the gen array function, I'm gonna create a two-dimensional array, and I'm going to create it in the memory. So I want 3 rows and 5 columns. Gotta name the array equal. Okay. Then I'm go ahead here and just return the array because the method requires me to return a 2D array. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna initialize each. I'm gonna count in the array from 1 to 15. 3 times 5, which is 15. So to do that, I'm gonna create a number called a variable called num. It's gonna be equal to 1. Then I'm gonna have 2 loops, but I'm first going to initialize the column, and then I'm gonna go to the row in order to get the column wise, to get it in this format right here. So to do that, the first for loop is gonna be since we want to get the column, we're going to say I is less than 5, I plus plus. Then we're going to go ahead and iterate through the rows now. To do that, it's another for loop. And just copy this. Change the I to J. And make sure it's less than 3. Then now, this is where we're going to count each number and assign them to the subscript. Then now we need to do our print array method. So again, public static, and this is going to be a void since we're just printing out some data. Call it print array, and it's going to take a 2D array. So int what am I doing wrong? Okay, this needs to be outside of that method. It should be in the class. So it should be right here. Okay then. No, then we're basically gonna use another loop, the for loop, but this time we're gonna iterate through the rows first. and then the column. And now in our main we're going to create an array, a two-dimensional array called array. We're going to assign the genchar method, or gen array rather, method to return this array to this array in the main function. Then we can call our print array with array in there. And now I can run this. Okay, we're having an error. What is there? Genchar, I mean. Then it's out of bounds. Oh, should put the column first, then I afterwards. It should work now. And then for readability, I'll print out